Ames got cash advance. Why? It just makes sense. Ames got cash advance. Up to $500 fast with no credit check. Get started at amescot.com.
At Checkers, I'm in the driver's seat, and I want those famous fries and the checker burger for $3.49. Or maybe a spicy chicken or a crispy fish. Choices? I like choices. Whatever you order, only at Checkers. Now half off regular size classic slushies.
When you drive America's best light duty pickup, summer is yours for the taking. To take bigger toys, to take fun to the limits, and take in every day surrounded by comfort. Make this the summer you take on everything. Make this the summer you drive a Ram.
During the Ram Labor Day sales event, current FCA owners get $8,980 in total values on the 2023 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab.
When it comes to my flooring needs, Floor & Decor is my go-to to get it all. That's because they've got my back. With the benefits and services I actually want, and financing options that'll take my business to the next level. Floor & Decor just gets it. With a partner like that, I get more done. Discover Floor & Decor today.
Let's get an update from Mike Lang. At a secret location, Mike
It's me, Mike.